Stasis, but you can call me Chief Smack-a-Ho. Pretty dope. This is Pancakes and Brown Rice, a channel that we have created, all for random mishaps, bloopers, and trash cans. 5 things most people don't know about me is I'm Native American, who is also a turtle. I'm ambidextrous. I sing like Fergie and Jesus combined with a side of Michael Jackson. I'm an artist and oh, sorry. And that light is really bright. When you look me in the eye. Oh, I'm sorry. You can call me Rena, and that's boner spelled backwards. I don't like spiders. I'm a supporter of Coast Guard. Thanks to my dad, I love him. I like to eat food all the time. I'm not fat. It just makes me look fat, I promise. That trash can, that was me. No, we do not live in teepees. They call me an albino native. Anyways. I want to be a trash can. I'm 17 years old. I'm a junior in high school. And slap-a-ho.
Hey, I'm Naomi. You can call me Cage Face. This is my first time making a YouTube video, so don't judge and hate or whatever. We're just making these videos just for fun. 5 facts about myself is there's my friend right there. I like to dance. I play guitar. Been playing for 3 years. I play sports. I'm kind of shy. And yeah, so if you leave comments on our videos, be nice, don't hate. I'm 17 and I like to dance and cause a little ruckus now and then.
I just got you like the beginning doing this. Okay, ready, set, go.
My name's Chief Hawkins. No, it's to our website or channel.
We just edited it.
Oh.
I wanna go to college for the rest of my life.